नाम से डरा मत करो सिलेबस मेरे.
Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. Integral x tan inverse x dx. Okay, where x is algebra function, tan inverse x is inverse trigonometric function. Okay, which function comes first from this order? What is the order? I lay. Okay, inverse trigonometric function is first function. Let us take f of x is inverse trigonometric function and g of x is x. Okay, right, correct order. So tan inverse x into x dx. So what is the formula? Integral f of x into g of x dx equal to first function into integration of second function minus derivative of first function integration of second function. Okay, whole integration. This is the integral by parts formula. Okay, on f of x expression we should write tan inverse x, g of x expression write x. It will going to be f of x. So tan inverse x into integral x dx minus, so f dash x, differentiation of first function d by dx of tan inverse x integral x dx whole dx. It will going to be tan inverse x into integral x dx, we get x square by 2, differentiation of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square into integration of x square by 2 dx. It will going to be x square by 2 into tan inverse x. So in this 1 by 2 constant integral, first write denominator value 1 plus x square. Okay, what is the numerator? X square into 1 x square. Adding and subtraction 1 in numerator. Okay. Okay, we have got this value x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 times of, so this is nothing but x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1. So what we get? X square tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 times of, now I say that integral x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx minus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, it will going to be x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 times of, okay, 1 x square plus 1 get cancelled, it will be 1 dx minus, so integral 1 by x square plus 1 is nothing but tan inverse x formula. So differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by x square plus 1. So integration of 1 by x square plus 1 is tan inverse x. Okay, now it will going to be x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 times of 1 dx value x. Okay, minus 1 by 2 multiply to all, minus 1 by 2 into x, minus into minus plus half times of tan inverse x plus c. So this is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral x into log 1 plus x. Okay, where x is algebra function, this is logarithm function. Okay, which function comes first from this order? What is the order? I lay it. Okay, in this logarithm function is first function. Let us take f of x is log 1 plus x, g of x is x. Okay, so write correct order log of 1 plus x into x dx. Okay, we have formula integral f of x into g of x dx equal to f of x into integration of g of x dx minus the differentiation of f of x, the integration of second function whole integration. Okay, in this formula on substituting f of x expression log 1 plus x and g of x expression x. Okay, it will going to be f of x log 1 plus x into integral x dx minus the differentiation of first function d by dx of log 1 plus x integration g of x value x dx whole dx. Okay, it will going to be integral x dx is x square by 2 into log of 1 plus x minus differentiation of log 1 plus x. It will going to be 1 by 1 plus x into x dx value x square by 2 dx. Okay, so it will going to be x square by 2 into log of 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 constant integral. First write denominator value 1 plus x. What is the numerator? X square into 1 x square. Okay, subtraction and adding 1 in numerator. So we have x square minus 1 square. By using a square minus b square formula, a minus b into a plus b. Okay, we have got it. So x square by 2 into log of 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 times of, okay, this is nothing but x square minus 1 square by x plus 1. X square minus 1 square, it can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 1. What is denominator? X plus 1 dx. Okay, plus 1 by x plus 1. 1 x plus 1 get cancelled. It will going to be x square by 2 log of 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 times of integral x minus 1 dx. So integral x, we get x square by 2. Integral minus 1, so minus x, plus integral 1 by x plus 1, it will be log 1 plus x. Okay, this is answer. Okay, so let us do simplify. X square by 2 log of 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 multiply to all plus minus x square by 4. So minus into minus plus x by 2. So minus 1 by 2 into log of x plus 1 plus 3. Okay, so let us take in common log x plus 1. Log of 1 plus x by 2. Take out common 1 x square minus 1. So into x square minus 1. Okay, remaining values write as it is. Minus x square by 4 plus x by 2 plus 6. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So integral x to the power n into log x dx, where x to the power n is algebra function, log x is logarithmic function. Okay. So proper choice of first and second functions. So what is the coding? ILATE. Where f of x follow the order ILATE. So I for inverse trigonometric function, L for logarithmic function, A for algebra function, T for trigonometric function, E for exponential function. Okay, which function comes first from this order? Logarithmic function. Okay, let us take f of x is logarithmic function, g of x is x to the power n. Okay, first write f of x value log x into x to the power n dx. We have integral by parts formula f of x into g of x dx equal to first function into integration of second function. Okay, differentiation of first function into integration of second function, whole integration. Okay, this is the integral by parts formula. Okay, now this is f of x, g of x. On f of x, g of x place we should write log x and x to the power n. Okay, what is the formula? F of x into log x into integral x to the power n dx minus, so d by dx of f of x. Okay, d by dx of log x integral g of x into x to the power n into dx whole dx. It will going to be log x into integral x to the power n. It will becomes x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus differentiation of log x. It will going to be 1 by x. Integration of x to the power n plus 1, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 6. X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, this is nothing but log x into x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus, in this 1 by n plus 1 constant, one x get cancelled. X to the power n plus 1 by x. One x get cancelled, it will be integral x to the power n. This formula is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is answer. Okay, moving to next question. So integral log of 1 plus x square into dx. Okay. So in this statement, only one function is given. Okay. Log of 1 plus x square. So let us take second function is 1. So let us take first function f of x, second function g of x equal to 1. So what is the integral by parts formula? So integral f of x into g of x dx equal to first function into integration of second function minus differentiation of first function integration of second function whole dx. Okay, where f of x place in right log 1 plus x square and g of x place in 1. So what is the formula? F of x into log of 1 plus x square into integral 1 dx minus d by dx of differentiation of first function log of 1 plus x square integration of second function 1 dx whole dx. Okay, so log of 1 dx value x. So x into log 1 plus x square minus differentiation of log 1 plus x square. It will be 1 by 1 plus x square into differentiation of 1 will be 0. Differentiation of x square we get 2x by using chain rule. Integration of 1 dx is x. So x log 1 plus x square in this 2 constant 2 times of what is the right denominator 1 plus x square. So 1 into x square. Okay, adding and subtraction 1 in numerator. Okay, we have got it. X log 1 plus x square minus 2 times of x square plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so this is nothing but x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1. Okay, it will going to be x log 1 plus x square minus 2 times of, so write x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx minus 1 by x square plus 1. So on x square plus 1 get cancelled. So it will going to be x log 1 plus x square minus 2 times of integral 1 dx value x. This formula is tan inverse x. Okay. Now what we get? X log 1 plus x square. So minus 2 multiply to all minus 2x plus 2 tan inverse x. So this is answer. Okay, look at the next question. So integral x sin square x dx. Okay, we have sin square x formula 1 minus cos 2x by 2. If cos square x is there, so we should apply this formula 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay, integral x into sin square x, we should write 1 minus cos 2x by 2. In this 1 by 2 constant, integral x into 1 x dx minus x into cos 2x dx, x cos 2x dx. So 1 by 2 times of integral x dx value, we get x square by 2. So by using integral by parts, this is algebra function, trigonometry function. Okay, so our coding is ILATE. In this first function is algebra function. So algebra function, let us take f of x. So trigonometry function is g of x. So what is the formula? So integral f of x into g of x dx equal to first function into integration of second function minus derivative of first function integration of second function whole integration. Okay. Now it will going to be, what is the first function? X into integration of second function minus differentiation of first function integration of second function, whole integration. Okay, 1 by 2 times of 1 by 2 times of x square by 2 minus x into integral cos 2x. So integral cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. Okay, so integral cos 2x is cos sin 2x, but differentiation of 2x is 2, integration is by 2. Okay, minus into minus plus integral d by dx of x, it will be 1. So integral cos 2x, it will be sin 2x by 2. Okay, so it will going to be 1 by 2 times of x square by 2 minus x sin 2x by 2 plus, so 1 by 2 constant, integral sin 2x, it will be minus cos 2x by 2. So this is answer. Plus into minus, it will be minus. So this is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral x cos square x dx. Okay, we have cos square x formula. 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay, so integral x into 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. In this 1 by 2 constant, integral, so this x multiplied to all, x into 1 x plus x cos 2x. It will going to be 1 by 2 times of integral x dx plus integral x cos 2x dx. So 1 by 2 times of integral x dx value x square by 2. Okay, by using integral by parts formula, this is x is algebra function, cos 2x is trigonometry function. So what is the first function? Algebra function. From this coding, what is the first function is algebra function. So let us take f of x is x, g of x is cos 2x. Now I say that what is the formula? F of x first function into integration of second function minus differentiation of integration of, so differentiation of first function, integration of second function, whole integration. Okay, so 1 by 2 times of x square by 2 x into integral cos 2x. So integral cos 2x, it will be sin 2x. The differentiation of 2x is 2, integration is by 2. So dx get cancelled. Integral cos 2x, it will be sin 2x by 2 dx. So 1 by 2 times of x square by 2 x sin 2x by 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2 constant, integral sin 2x. Integral sin 2x, it will be minus cos 2x by 2. Okay, so this 1 by 2 multiplied to all, x square by 4. This is x by 4 into sin 2x. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 8, minus into minus plus 1 by 8 times of cos 2x plus c. This is answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming classes.